I wanted to share with you today a before and after of the beach renourishment project here on Fort Myers Beach. And I'm specifically on the south end here, showing the before right now. And then there's been many questions over these past few months of what is this long pipe on the beach? And many people online have been asking about it. It is part of the beach renourishment project that's been taking place these past few months. Beach renourishment, that is actually the process of adding sand to the beaches to rebuild the width and the elevation of it. It's to help further protect from erosion and from storms impact on the beach here. So it's been an ongoing project here since the later part of last year. And down here towards the south end, specifically around Leonardo Arms, is a condo that is sticking out towards the water. You'll be able to see here in a moment just how close the Gulf was to this condo. So I chose to feature this area here on the island because I thought it was actually the worst part of the island that needed the most help. And by far, I would say this beach renourishment project absolutely made the biggest improvement compared to everywhere else on the island. Just you'll be amazed at the before and after here. Sand volume has been over 300,000 cubic yards has been applied as of April of 2025. And the project cost is $22 million. That is split up between FEMA, state, local county, and the town as well. So the expected completion date was supposed to be done at the end of May of 2025. And there was delays. So it's gone beyond that date now. We're at the beginning part of July of 2025, and they're still working on it. They had delays basically because of the hurricanes and other setbacks that they had. But overall, they've done a great job as far as the renourishment goes. A lot of that pipe was ran out from about a mile offshore, pumping the sand onto the beach. And down in this area specifically, they combined that with also dump trucks full of sand, and it had to be hundreds to maybe even thousands of loads of sand from dump trucks as well. So they definitely been working hard on that project. I wanted to show you the before and after, and I thought it'd be interesting to showcase it here just so you can see the improvement that's been done here on the island. As far as talking to other locals here on the island, as well as beach goers that were from out of town and visitors, they've been happy with the project and the quality of the sand that's been pumped onto the beach. All right, so that was enough of the before, and now for the after. You can see the replenished beach sand here, and that is Leonardo Arms there at the arrow. Amazing the difference, isn't it? Let me know in the comments below what you think. You can see the existing seawall there at the beach level and just how far out they went from there and then replenished the sand. So it is amazing how much of a difference it's made. And I can imagine the condo owners at Leonardo Arms is especially happy to have this renourishment done in front of them. Now they actually have some beach they can enjoy, and then also have that buffer zone between the Gulf and themselves there. It was certainly knocking on their doors, and this certainly made a difference. And now let's take a look side by side, the before and after, just so you can get a sense of the difference. Quite amazing, isn't it? The amount of work that's gone into this project is unbelievable, and the dedication to the people who did it, quite an amazing feat there. So let me know in the comments below what you think of it before and after. Do you think it made such a huge improvement? It's going to help the island here. Also, if there's other parts of the island you want to see featured in a video, I'm always looking for more ideas to feature here. So be sure to comment that below as well. And I'm David Piper. I'm with beachesrealestategroup.com. I'm a local realtor here on the island. I specialize on the island. I also sell in Southwest Florida. So if you happen to be looking for buying or selling here in Southwest Florida, please feel free to reach out to me. You can call me or text me or email. I'm available either way. I look forward to hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more FMB content. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.